back to another video. In today's video, Emma will be baking a cake and something will go wrong because she has to bake a cake for her school. And, well, please like and subscribe. Let's get into the video now. Okay, now let's make our cake for school. So, what ingredients do we need? We need sugar. Let's take it here. No, that's cereal. I found the sugar. Let's get 1 packet of sugar out. Now, what should I use for the main, not the main ingredient, but what fruit or veggie? Let's go with a peach. Let's check if we have any in the fridge. Perfect, one right here. This looks fresh. Okay, now we gotta grab a mixing bowl once I put this up. Now let's mix them all together. And here. Now, because we've got the base of our cake, we'll put it in the oven. Okay, now let's wait for that to cook. Oh, the cake seems like it's ready. Let's go. Oh, that's perfect. Now let's put it here. Now, on the outside it looks perfect. Now let's taste on the inside. Ew, what is that? It's burnt. It's like black inside. That was the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted. Ew. That was not good. I am never going to eat that again. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, what's that? Is that the fire alarm? Beep, 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 beep. Ah, oh no. I set off the fire alarm, Mom. Emma, what is it? Why is the fire alarm going off? Beep, 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 beep. I made a cake and it burned. Oh no, Emma. Why did you do that? Now, what are we going to use? I'm just going to do this, push some of the smoke air away. I'll help with that, Mom. I think it's working. The fire alarm is not on anymore. Mom, can you help me? Help with what? Clean up your whole mess? No, help me make another cake. Sure, sweetie. Firstly, we're washing that bowl and you're going to clean the oven. Oh, fine, Mom. Let's put the bowl in the dishwasher. Okay, dishwasher on. Now we got to clean the oven. Okay. I think the oven's clean. Okay, Mum, I did that. Okay, now we're going to start on the cake. So what ingredients do you need? You need sugar. Yes, that's right. Next, what do you need? Peaches? No. This is something that's going to make it taste way better than peach. Blueberry. Ooh, that's so cool. I didn't even realize you can make a cake with blueberries. Yeah, you can. Ooh. Okay, now a mixing bowl. Okay, put them together. And now we've got the... Oh my gosh, Mum. That is so cool. Now we just got to cook it. It'll only be a few minutes. Okay, I got it out of the oven. Thank you so much, Mom. It looks amazing. Everybody's going to love it. And you don't have to say that I helped make it. It's okay, Mom. I will. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Let's just close the oven up. And take the bowl out of the dishwasher because now you're going to wash this bowl. Oh, let's put the cake here. Okay. Wash. I think I did a good job, Bob. There, let's put these bowls up back. Thank you so much, Mom. I'm going to bring this to school and everybody's going to think I'm amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It's Toca Ava. And I hope you have a wonderful day, Bubbles. And yeah, hope you watch all our other videos and bye.